Hey, so I'm back at the Crow Creek mine, and bug. I actually have a big problem now because the spot where I was reliably finding gold, it's pretty much dried up. So now I gotta go prospecting around and basically just dig in test holes, see if I can find anything. So may not be a very productive day. I'm just gonna be looking in random spots and seeing what I can find. We'll see how it goes.
So the first thing I did, I basically just dug a hole straight down. Just to show you the sluice cleanup process here, it's getting to the point for me that I can actually, in many cases I can actually process dirt about as fast just using a pan and a bucket. I guess it's a little bit easier on your back to do it with a sluice box though.
No, not looking good. No, there's just one real small piece in there. That's not good. So, not only did I hit a bunch of big rocks, I hit the water table too. So I think that's gonna be it for this hole, because I'm not gonna be able to get any deeper. And I wasn't really finding anything, so we'll take a look what's in this last pan here and see what I was coming up with. Yep. Yeah, pretty much nothing. So yeah, not good.
There were pretty big rocks on the bottom. Really no way that I can get them out with the hole that I had. And also I don't like digging below the water table. Gold is heavy enough that it tends to move underneath your shovel if you don't have some sort of plunger or dredge to get it out when you're digging in water.
Not a good spot. I give up. So just gonna pick up dirt from that bucket. Gonna run it through the sluice.
And one thing that's nice, I did meet some new friends while I was out here, so that's good. That's always a plus. It's pretty cool watching this stream matting. When it's working well, you can see the rocks and the dirt swirling in little circles in the turbulence.
Absolutely. Oh, there's something. It's just real tiny. Last thing we do before we go, we'll go ahead and run the bag of pay dirt that they gave us whenever we showed up. So we'll see how that goes. And there you have it. It's the most gold I've seen all day. So there we go. At least they won't let you leave empty-handed. That's nice. Yep, and that wraps it up. All right. So back at the house now, and you know, it's been a little bit tough this year. Last year, every time I went out there, I was running the same tailings pile, and I'd do pretty good. I'd come back with at least a gram on every trip, but I actually pretty much used up that spot. And this year I've basically just been doing a bunch of test holes, and I've mostly just been finding flood gold. So you can see, you know, this is from last year. This is just 2 or 3 trips to that spot. The biggest nugget that I have in there is about half a gram. But then from 3 trips this year, this is what I'm looking at here. So we'll get this weighed up and we'll see what it looks like. All right, so here we go. And yes, this is a Lego tray. Okay, so I'm working with what I have. Okay, here we go. Come on, get in there. All right, good enough. So, all right, let's see how we look here. So, there we go. Sitting at right around 0.5 gram, and that's about 3 trips this year. So, you know, really, it's mostly about going out and having a good time. I'm not really happy just getting the really fine flood gold, so I'm mostly looking for bigger gold, and in order to find it, you got to do a lot of exploring around and running test pans, and you know, sometimes you'll put out several trips and you'll come back with this, and that's where we're at right now. So so I've got some big ideas coming up. I've got a couple new friends that are interested in going out. We've got a couple different areas that we're talking about going to, so we'll see how it goes. Got big plans for the rest of the year. All right, there we go, calling it good. Leave on a happy note. Last year and this year, we got a ways to go this year to catch up. Let's see what we can do.